Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. It's weird because I'm sitting here, but today I have a very special mukbang. I haven't done a mukbang in so long. Mukbang. I am all glammed up for you guys. Today I will be eating this. Woohoo! Can you guys see this food right here? It is pumpkin mac and cheese. I do have a recipe. I will leave it down below. Check it out. It's so good. And today we're going to dive in, eat and talk. Basically, the topic for today's video, I will be telling you guys how I started making cooking videos for you guys. So let me say my grace before I start. I don't normally do, but I will say it. Amen. So let's get started. I will be eating. I was making a thumbnail for you guys. That's why there's mac and cheese in here. But you guys, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know nobody in my house really eat mac and cheese, pasta, any type of pasta. Nobody really likes them except Haitian spaghetti. My mom eats, but she doesn't like it. My husband, he doesn't eat cheese at all. So all this is for moi. And I'm excited to dive in. But we're going to get started with the with the topic for today. Today I will be explaining to you guys how this whole Island Vibe cooking started. So how it all started is I used to have a beauty channel. And I used to make a lot of video there, and my husband knows that I really know how to cook, and I'm always making these bomb Haitian food. And he kept telling me, make a Haitian cooking channel, make it. He always kept saying it. I was never interested on making it because I'm like, And then when I looked to see who's making Haitian cooking dishes, were this old lady. I don't think she makes videos anymore. I think her name is The Returnable, I think. And Lami's I think I pronounced her name right. She's a great cook here on YouTube. She's Asian as well. She's current. If you watch her as well, let me know down below. She used to be one of the person making Haitian food at that time. If you hear anything, my daughter's talking. I can't do anything about it. But she was the one of the people who used to make Haitian cooking dishes here on YouTube. There wasn't much actually. And my husband kept telling me, like, the beauty world on YouTube is very saturated. It's best for you if you, I'm gonna talk a little loud because she's talking. He said it's best for me if I start making, Haitian food, if I create a Haitian food channel. So I told him, okay, I think that's a good idea. But at first I was kind of like, I really doing beauty stuff. I used to be doing a lot of hair videos and stuff. That was my main thing here. And then I started making makeup stuff, makeup videos. But I was really kind of like, I don't want to give up my beauty channel because I really like it. It's like a hobby to me. It's not like I just do it because, everybody else is doing it. I like it. Unless you really like something, that's just going to give it up and say, okay, I don't want to make these type of videos. This video is going to be really hard to edit because I had to cut a lot apart because she keep running back and forth. Anywho, unless you actually loving making something, you're not gonna like just give it up if you don't like it. I used to really love making beauty videos. And then he said you should definitely do it because the beauty world is really saturated on YouTube. You're not gonna get as much views. You gotta really grinding. Not that I'm saying if you start now, making beauty videos, you're not gonna be successful. I'm just saying it just wasn't working out for me. But I take his advice. He was the one who actually go ahead and created everything. He said, okay, now we need to start making, getting a name or whatever. I'm like, okay, it's gonna be Haitian food mostly. We need to think about something, you know, that represent like Haitian food. But at the same time, I didn't want it to be like just Haitian food and that's it. I want it to be like Caribbean-ish related too. So we come up with this name called Island Vibe Cooking. And when we search on YouTube to see if there's only other name related to us, there was none, which was great. We picked that name. We created a channel. He was he was the one who did most of the work because he wanted me to do it so bad. He went ahead, create the Google account, create the name, create everything. Basically, not the thumbnail, what do you call those? The banner. He was the one who created it. He went on Photoshop and created everything. And I was like, okay, now what? Now we need to start making, you know, videos. So what I did, I said, I'm not gonna keep making those little small Haitian, the thing everybody know. I'm starting from the party food, like the most popular Haitian dishes first, and see how it goes. So my first video, I remember it till this day. It was a grill video. It's still up. All my videos are there. Like all my videos that I upload, I never delete my videos because if I upload it, I want it to be there. So my first video right now, if you go watch it, I was using a not Bobo, but I was using a cheap microphone that sounds so weird and the quality wasn't that the best. I was using this old, I forgot the name, for Canon I was using. It was really cheap. I went to Best Buy and bought it for my beauty channel, and the quality was terrible. And if you want to start YouTube, I'm not telling you to start with the best thing, but try your best to kind of start with something like even light and stuff like that, because they do really make a big difference on getting subscribers and getting more people watching you. So yeah, and then I was using this old camera. This is good. So yeah, I made my first video, which was the grill video, and everybody loved it. They really did. I don't know how many views that video has right now, but everybody loved it, seems to love it. And after the grill, I'm like, hello, you need pickles to eat grill. I made pickles, and after that, keep going and going and going and going. And that's how we basically started the whole Island Vibe cooking thing. But now, I don't want to keep it just Island Vibe cooking only, as you guys know, as you guys can see or can tell. Sorry, I'm blocking my mouth. But I want to get more exposure. The thing with the Haitian community, they don't really go on YouTube and search Haitian food like that. There's other people in the world. I want to be exposed by everybody, so that's why I'm making, you know, different type of content, different type of I don't want to just be in a box. I know to not step out the box, to stay in the same lane that I'm in, which is cooking food related. But I don't want to be in the box where I cannot breathe and do other things, because that's not what I want this channel to be on. That's why I started making, ooh, I don't know when did this start, but I think it was in the beginning of 2017. I started switching it up, like mixing it, not switching it. Mixing it, mix some American, different culture type of food, because it will benefit me in a good way. It's not just, I don't want just one group of people watching just Haitian. I will get more exposure. So that's why I started making these type of videos, and that's where we're at right now. I will be doing more mukbangs. Sometimes I feel like making them, but I don't know if you guys want them. Maybe I should maybe I should try to do it with like a story time and explain to you something you guys will learn from me instead of making it boring. But obviously I can't eat all of this. I bought this plate to eat it. I can't eat it, and it's just me. Why not just eat in a plate? It's my food. But this is really good. And I have my water. Handy dandy water. It's really good. But I still want to make beauty channel. In the back of my head, I'm like, I know you guys can see me looking lame, but sometimes I do want to share it with you guys. But last time I did, some of the subscribers wasn't too happy. They're talking about, oh, you don't get to videos talking about your hair. But if you guys want that, why not? Because I mean, I have a lot of girls, I have a lot of women that actually watch me, so I'm pretty sure whoever said that was a man. I'm not sure, I don't know, no shade. But if you guys are interested, I do have a other channel which I haven't posted anything in there yet. I want that channel to be just my clutter, anything that I feel like sharing. It's not gonna be like, oh, this is beauty. It's just gonna be everything that I want to share, which is Island 5 Squad. It's still up. I have subscribers there. I haven't uploaded. I know it's been like 3 months maybe, but if you guys want, go subscribe. If you want to see that channel as well, why not let me know? Okay, let me know down below, because I really want to do like more stuff, like my family, like vlog. Maybe I can put all the vlogs over there. Not now, but maybe in the future. We'll see how that goes. But that's it, you guys. I'm done eating and full. Hopefully I don't have to do any much editing. And this video is nice and transparent. If you want to see another mukbang, thumbs up the video. And depend how this mukbang went, I probably will film another one for you guys. My mom's making noise. Kylie's making noise, but I really enjoy sitting here and talk about the past. Like, it's giving me like a, what do you call it, a deja vu. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys very soon on my next mukbang. Bye. You will see this face on my next mukbang. Bye, you guys.